Hello and welcome back to Health for You. In today's video, we're going to explore a powerful natural recipe that has been trusted for generations to support the immune system and protect the body against harmful bacteria and viruses. With just 4 simple but extraordinary ingredients, lemon, garlic, ginger, and honey, you can create what many people call a natural bomb for your health. In a world where our immune systems are constantly challenged by stress, pollution, processed foods, and seasonal changes, strengthening our body's natural defenses has never been more important. Instead of relying solely on supplements or synthetic solutions, nature already provides us with everything we need. This recipe combines the best of nature's pharmacy into one jar of healing power. So stay with me until the end of this video, because I'll not only show you how to make it, but I'll also explain in detail the benefits of each ingredient, how they work together, and why taking this mixture daily can truly transform your health. Before we dive into the recipe, let's take a moment to understand why our immune system needs such support. The immune system is like the body's personal army. It defends us against invaders such as bacteria, viruses, and even parasites. When it is strong, we rarely fall sick, and if we do, we recover quickly. But when our immune system is weakened because of poor diet, lack of sleep, stress, or exposure to toxins, our body becomes vulnerable. Catching colds frequently, experiencing slow wound healing, or feeling constant fatigue are all signs that the immune system might be struggling. Instead of waiting until illness strikes, it is much wiser to strengthen it daily, and that's exactly where this natural recipe comes in. It's like providing your immune system with top-quality armor and weapons to keep you safe. Let's break down each ingredient and understand why together they are so powerful. 1. Lemons are one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, which is essential for immune function. Vitamin C helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, the soldiers of our immune system. It also protects our cells from free radical damage thanks to its antioxidant properties. Beyond immunity, lemon supports healthy skin, aids digestion, and detoxifies the body. The tangy freshness of lemon also balances the strong flavors of garlic and ginger in this recipe, making it easier and more pleasant to consume. 2. Garlic is often called nature's antibiotic. It contains a compound called allicin, which has strong antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Studies show that garlic not only reduces the severity of colds and flu, but can also shorten the duration of illness. Regular consumption of garlic is linked to lower blood pressure, improved cholesterol levels, and overall heart health. When combined with honey and lemon, garlic becomes much more palatable while still retaining its healing power. 3. Ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. It is famous for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It can help reduce inflammation in the body, soothe digestive issues, and relieve nausea. For the immune system, ginger increases circulation, warms the body, and helps fight off infections. If you often feel sluggish, ginger provides a natural boost of energy. In this recipe, ginger works hand in hand with garlic and lemon to strengthen the body's defenses while giving the mixture a spicy and invigorating kick. 4. Honey last, but not least. Honey is often called liquid gold. Unlike refined sugar, honey is packed with enzymes, minerals, and antioxidants. It has antibacterial properties, soothes sore throats, and supports healing. It also makes this mixture sweet and enjoyable, balancing the strong flavors of garlic and ginger. But beyond taste, honey acts as a natural preservative, allowing the mixture to last longer without spoiling. When all 4 of these ingredients come together, they create a synergistic effect, meaning they work better together than separately. Now let's get practical. Here's how you can make this immune-boosting recipe at home. Ingredients you'll need: 1 fresh lemon, sliced thinly, juice from 1 additional lemon, 5-6 cloves of garlic, 200 grams of fresh ginger, 300 grams of raw honey. Steps: wash your lemon thoroughly and cut it into thin slices. Peel the garlic cloves and slightly crush them to release more of their healing compounds. Peel and grate the ginger or chop it into small pieces. Place the lemon slices, garlic, and ginger into a clean glass jar. Squeeze the juice from the second lemon and pour it into the jar. Add 300 grams of honey. Stir gently until everything is well combined. Seal the jar and let it sit at room temperature for 24 hours. This resting period allows the ingredients to infuse and release their nutrients. After one day, your natural immune booster is ready to use. To get the most benefits, take 1 teaspoon in the morning on an empty stomach. This small amount is enough to wake up your digestive system and start your day with an immune boost. If you feel you're catching a cold, or if it's flu season, you can take it 3-4 times a day. Always listen to your body. And remember, this is a natural remedy, but it is still powerful. Caution: if you are allergic to any of the ingredients, do not consume this mixture. Garlic and ginger can be too strong for people with sensitive stomachs, so start with small amounts. Honey should not be given to children under 1 year old due to the risk of infant botulism. The magic of this recipe lies in its combination. Lemon supplies vitamin C and antioxidants. Garlic provides antibacterial and antiviral power. Ginger reduces inflammation and improves circulation. Honey not only soothes, but also preserves the mixture. Together, they create a remedy that strengthens immune defenses, shortens recovery from colds and flu, supports digestion and detoxification, improves energy levels, protects the body from harmful bacteria and viruses. Unlike synthetic medicines, this natural blend works with your body instead of against it. It doesn't just fight symptoms, it strengthens the foundation of your health. Use organic ingredients whenever possible to avoid pesticides. Store the mixture in a cool, dark place or in the refrigerator. Shake or stir before use as the ingredients may separate. Take it consistently. Like any natural remedy, results come from regular use, not from taking it once or twice. In conclusion, this simple mixture of lemon, garlic, ginger, and honey is much more than just a home remedy. It is a way to reconnect with the wisdom of nature. By preparing and consuming this daily, you are giving your body powerful tools to stay strong, resilient, and energized. Health doesn't have to come from a pharmacy. Sometimes the best solutions are already in your kitchen. So why not give this recipe a try? Your immune system will thank you, and your body will feel the difference. Thank you for watching Health for You. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. And let us know in the comments. Have you ever tried a similar recipe? What natural remedies do you use to stay healthy? Stay safe, stay strong, and remember, your health is in your hands.